I love that gift. Barbarian arrowhead. I think that's what my Native American tribe would be called. Native American arrowhead. No, barbarian arrowhead. Actually, my tribe name would be Third Eye Blind. I'm gonna turn it down. It's literally blurring my ears. Are all Feliformia carnivores? Neat. Dango. The kindest dingo from Australia. Oh, mate. I love dingos. Grow some shrimp on the barbie, baby. Oh, yeah. Canines have an extra top molar? Imagine only having one molar. Absolute downgrade. Complete Feliformia L. Hey, one son, do you want a quick tooth lesson? You want to know how to learn dentary formula? It's really easy. So, use these numbers, like blah 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 blah, and then you'll type up the numbers, and it'll be like 2311, and then it'll be like 223, and then 21. Well, to read this, all you need to know is what every one of these numbers means. So all the first numbers, these ones right here, boom 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 boom, these are the lower jaw. And they're not always the same. Sometimes you'll find ones that'll be like, oh, 3-3. Just a cool momology lesson. Oh yeah. No problem, sport. Get out there and prove the world wrong. Or else. Huh, how many genera are there of bears? I already know the answer to this. It's 3. If the book is different, I'm gonna be so mad. 5? What do you mean 5? Polar bears are their own. And then there's like the Asian bears, like the Indian bears. I guess that'd be technically 4 from my perspective, because there'd be sun and moon bears, Indonesian bears, black bears and grizzlies would be the same. Yeah, it agrees with 4. Why is there 5? That doesn't make sense. Andes bears are not. That's so stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh, it's because of pandas. I hate pandas. They're the dumbest bear. They shouldn't even be a bear. We should make a new species for them. Progressive bears. Oh yeah, I got that one wrong. I got that one wrong. Pandas are no, they're not pandas going down slides. You want to see? You want to see this? Oh, Oh yeah, you call this so cool. Look at these weaklings. These guys are not warriors. They're not built for combat. These are built for slaughter. Look at this. Foolish boy. Foolish fools. Would I own one? Yes. Would I hug it? Yes, but they're not cool. Would I love it and cherish it and be my friends? Yeah, but they're not warriors. Now look at polar bears fighting. Like that's metal. like like whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. Look at how much they move and shake, all the fat and fur on their body. They can kill anything they want. That's so metal. Let's look at Cetacea. Oh. Do you know that whales are in the same family order? Or no? They're in the same order as deer, because taxonomists are actually retarded. They're really dumb. No, yeah, they are. Whale order. It's part of Cetacea. They tried to give it its own order, but 80% of schools disagree, so they're still considered or they're cetaceans. Some people consider them cetaceans, but other people consider them to be part of the what's it called? Cetiodiodactyla whales. And this is what comes up when you look up this order. You get these guys. Whales are in the same. Look at this: giraffe, moose, whales, bison, boars, camels. It's pretty dumb. Said the it doesn't. No. This entire order is defined by the fact that it has even-toed ungulates. They don't even have ungulates. Do you know what an ungulate is? It's a hoof. It's a hoof, bro. This is an ungulate. Look at us. Whales don't have them. They can't be in this order. And yet taxonomists are lazy and retarded. Until they finally, like, 30 years later, tried to give them their own order, and now people just reject it. And so it's like, oh, this sucks. Yeah, dolphins are there too, by the way, don't worry. 18. Oh, now we go to the Artiodactyl. This is the opposite of Cetartiodactyla, because it's odd numbered ungulates. So this is like your horses and your wildebeests, which are really cool. And donkeys. This one's not a whale, don't worry. Breaks through the hoof barrier. Bruh. Nordlarp. This is so. I'm gonna reply this guy with my favorite GIF. Hi, hi, hi. Where is it? Hi. Where's the GIF? This one. I love this GIF. Hi, 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 hi. Hey. So true, breasty. The link between whales and other artiodactyl. You can't keep getting away. Oh, most. Which family? I don't know. I mean, yes and no. They're pretty thick. Oh, I gotta mute whoever joined. Oh, it's Jake. I already have him muted. Don't worry.
Hi, hi guys, welcome to Dunder Mifflin.
Get out
From
of
the
my video, dude.
He's gone. Whale family.